All right, exciting update for non-technical people like myself. ComfyUI, the very powerful AI image and video generator, has now just released their desktop installer app. So you don't need to get into terminal or other complicated stuff to install it. There's now a simple installer, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's jump into it. All right, as of this recording, if you go to the website, it will still ask you to put your email in and join a wait list, but I just got the email invite to download ComfyUI. So I'm going to anticipate that by the time you watch this, hopefully you'll be able to freely download it, or you won't have to wait too long. And so there is a Mac and a Windows installer. And so I'm going to download the Mac version. Obviously, I already downloaded it and prep for this video. All right, so I'm going to run the installer. Could not be easier. All right, so I'm just going to drag and drop it. All right, and let's jump into applications and launch it. Yes, I trust internet strangers. All right, get started. Choose install. I'm hesitant to install to my documents folder because my documents is part of iCloud and I don't want it to send it. I don't want to deal with cloud storage stuff. So I'm just put it in my movies folder because that is local, but feel free to store yours wherever you want. I just don't want to keep it on iCloud and have to deal with sync issues. And then the data, yeah, that's fine. So if you already have installed ComfyUI, it's cool because you can point to where your existing install is and bring in all of your models that you might have downloaded. I have installed Comfy, but it's on a virtual PC, so I'm not going to deal with trying to migrate. I'll just re-download the stuff or deal with it manually later. So no migration on this computer. Yeah, I like automatic updates, and yeah, you can send crash reports. Okay, and so now it is doing all of that terminal stuff where I got stuck at multiple times, and hopefully I don't have to do anything. All right, and now we've got ComfyUI. I've got an app. It is installed. It is running. And I believe this also installs the extra manager. I'm forgetting the terminology, but the extra tools that make downloading models, managing ComfyUI a lot easier. It should be in there. And there is a template section too, if you're new to ComfyUI, to load some pre-built templates. And it is telling me I'm missing a model, which is also cool that it's telling me that, and it has this easy one-click download. Okay, after a lengthy download, seems like we're finished. Let's see. I think. Yes, no, you work. Do you work? You have the model? Okay, so let's say a dog in the streets of Rome, because Gladiator 2 is still in my mind. Looks like a dog on the streets of modern Rome with a little coat. But anyways, this is not a ComfyUI tutorial because I'm still learning it. This is a funky dog. But anyways, I'm pretty stoked to have ComfyUI now on my MacBook instead of having to use a virtual PC because that was working better, even though that might come into play if I have some heavy duty generating. But I'm glad I got it on my computer. As you can see, that install was super simple and easy to do. And also from my brief experience with Comfy, it also does seem to have cool additional tools to make it more functional or user-friendly, like templates to start up. And the ComfyUI Manager, that was what I was trying to think of, but I couldn't remember the name. The ComfyUI Manager to more easily install models and do all sorts of stuff without having to deal with GitHub or downloading or moving files and stuff. So yeah, ComfyUI is a new project for me to kind of figure out and get a better handle on this because I know you could do a lot of crazy, powerful stuff. But I'm glad it's up and running, very easy to do. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode.